The Industrial Revolution changed not just work, but how we eat. Cities exploded. Millions needed cheap fast food now. Immigrant street food filled the hunger gap. But it was chaotic. Lunch was not leisure. It was a timed refueling stop. Half their income for food. Every penny counted. Ford's assembly line didn't just make cars. It made a new logic. The kitchen became a factory. The burger, its product. Standardized architecture for standardized food. The hamburger was the working class's steak. Street food was more than a meal. It was an economic ladder. They sold trust. Transparency in female staff meant clean. They rebranded an industrial product as wholesome food. In America, work was far from home. Eating out was mandatory. Time became money. Eating became efficiency. Standardization to the extreme. A burger as a precise component. Each era adds a layer, but the old ways never fully die. The solution to one hunger created a new health crisis. Eating shifted from a social ritual to a private transaction. We still live inside the logic they invented. Every meal, a countdown. The future of food, more efficiency, or reclaiming connection. This humble burger contains the DNA of industrial modernity. Heavy industry demanded a furnace of calories. Our bodies changed, but the fast food formula didn't. Predictability. The same taste anywhere, anytime. The street's chaos was replaced by the system's order. Like salt for Romans, the burger was fuel and currency. A burger is a perfect package of industrial economics. Cooking knowledge was stripped down to executable commands. The principles of fast food became the principles of society. The factory kitchen just moved further away and got smarter. The promise of cheap protein evolved, but the model remained. We traded the factory line for the service line. The rhythm is the same. We choose, but only from options the system designed. The algorithm now judges the very system that shaped it. Standardization starts in the field, long before the kitchen. The precision of the machine applied to the imperfection of nature. Food lost its theater, its ceremony, its shared story. We learned to see food as data, not experience. A new infrastructure was built to feed the new city, the unspoken deal of the modern age. We put it in a museum, but its children are everywhere. We are still them. Rushed, hungry, making a trade. A single meal connects you to a planetary system. The city and its fast food grew up together, symbiotically. Strip away the complexity. This was the core demand. Fast food was born in this storm of speed and cost. The industrial current juiced the heart of the home. We optimized for speed and lost something along the way. The hamburger was a cog in the great industrial machine. They opened a door to a new way of making food. Nature's variety processed into industrial uniformity. They didn't just invent a food, they patented a system. Every meal is now a small vote for the world we want. Intangible ingredients were the first casualties. We trained our brains for a new reward loop. From one seed in Kansas, a global forest grew. The line between toolmaker and foodmaker vanished. An unspoken pact shaped the modern metropolis. The room built for conversation grew quiet. This word was the key that unlocked a new era. Some things are designed for utility, not for art. It seemed insignificant, but it held up a new way of life. It was the mathematical answer to an industrial problem. It became a new landmark, a new point of orientation. Every opening was a celebration of a new efficiency. The bureaucracy of eating became its own weather system. We study its evolution, but it has already spread worldwide. The game was rigged from the start. Some values won, others lost. The circle of drive-through culture, car, food, time. History will judge this invention. The verdict is still out. It wrote itself into the national narrative, a symbol of progress. It was an operating system installed onto urban life. We are the endpoint of a very long thread of getting food. Its strategy was proliferation, to be everywhere. It was a bright idea that illuminated a new path, for better or worse. We live in a world scanned, priced, and sold by its logic. The world reshaped itself to accept the new solution. It was the form demanded by the material of the age, time-pressed humanity. We compressed millennia of farming into a single quick transaction. We are still on that bridge, carrying the past into the future, straddling two eras, handmade care and automated speed. The recipe for being human was edited. Some ingredients were removed. It set a new rhythm for life itself. Tick, burger. Tick, work. It became the visual background of our world. Unavoidable. Child's play mimicked the limited choices of the adult world. The password to the modern world is often, "Can I take your order?" It was nourished by the small change of millions. After all the systems and analysis, it's still just food. We all need it. From the first tool to the last click, the story is human ingenuity. The foundation is laid.